also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. The meerkat or suricate is a small mongoose found in southern Africa. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Ursidae. The pig, often called swine, hog, or domestic pig when distinguishing from ostriches are large flightless birds of the genus Struthio and the order Struthionoformes. Cattle are large, domesticated, cloven-hooved, herbivores. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal within the infraorder Cetacea. The American bison is a species of bison native to North America. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Flamingos or flamingos A/FLMOZ/ are a type of wave. The great round crane, also known as the African crown crane. Deer or true deer-hoofed ruminant mammals forming the family Cervidae. Sheep or domestic sheep are domesticated, ruminant mammals typically kept as livestock. Equidae is the taxonomic family of horses and related animals. Macropodidae is a family of marsupials that includes a rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino. A lynx is any of the 4 species within the medium-sized wildcat genus Lynx. Lizards are a widespread group of squamate reptiles, with over 7,000 species, ranging across. The Accipitridae is one of the 3 families within the order Accipitriformes, and snakes are elongated, limbless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpentis. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl in the family Onotidae. Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals of the infraorder Simiiformes. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, Hoofed mammal. It belongs to the taxonomic The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. Corvus is a widely distributed genus of medium-sized to large birds in the family Corvidae. Squirrels are members of the family Sauridae, a family that includes small or medium-sized rodents. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae. The giant panda, also known as the panda bear, is a bear species endemic to China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and rotund body. Turtles are an order of reptiles known as Testudines, characterized by a shell-developed Crocodiles or true crocodiles are large Gulls, or colloquially seagulls, are seabirds of the family Laridae in the suborder Lari. Rabbits, also known as bunnies or bunny rabbits, are small mammals in the family Leporidae.